Join us in the lab as we explore how fluoride delivers powerful protection and keeps your smile healthy. In this experiment, we will demonstrate how the fluoride in toothpaste protects our teeth from acid reactions by using eggshells to demonstrate tooth enamel.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Omer Choresh and I'm the pedagogical manager of Fourier education system. Today we're gonna demonstrate a very nice experiment in chemistry related to our everyday life. I don't know if you ever thought when you're brushing your teeth about the fluoride ions that are added to your toothpaste. So today we're gonna check out whether these ions can protect our teeth and what kind of protection they give to our teeth. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna expose these two kinds of eggshells to acid. I have a very simple acid here, which is vinegar I collected from my kitchen at home. Okay, and I'm gonna pour it on the eggshells. Now what happens usually, there is a chemical reaction between the calcium compounds in the eggshells or in our teeth with the acid. In our teeth, the acid is created by bacteria that breaks down our food. During this reaction, carbon dioxide is released. Now, the carbon dioxide that is released is going to be released here to the empty part of the tube and is going to increase the pressure in this part of the tube. This is why I have here some pressure sensors that are going to measure or detect the increase in pressure in the tube. Let's start the experiment. So I'm taking my tablet with the MyLabEx application and we're gonna start an experiment, and we're gonna make sure that our sensors are selected, the two pressure sensors. We can now go on and start the experiment. So I'm gonna play. And you see that the pressure in both tubes is approximately the same. If I enlarge it a little bit, you see the red line is one pressure, this one pressure sensor, and the green line is this pressure sensor, and they're quite the same. So the pressure here, this empty part of the tube, is approximately the same. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open them. While it's running, it's okay. I'm just gonna open two tubes and I'm gonna pour the 25 milliliters of acid or vinegar on top of the eggshells. We're gonna do it together. So this will be the first one and the second, and you'll be able to see soon the bubbles of the carbon dioxide coming up. So we're gonna close it very, very quickly. And we're gonna follow the increase in pressure due to the release of carbon dioxide. So as we can see here, the green line is raising really, really high, and the red line here is not, the increase is not very high. That means that here in the untreated eggshells, okay, these untreated eggshells will see higher increase in pressure. That is due to the release of carbon dioxide, due to the reaction between the acid and the eggshells. Now, in this tube, where there were eggshells exposed to fluoride, the eggshells are much more protected from the acid. That's why the acid cannot react with the eggshells, with the calcium compound in the eggshells, and less carbon dioxide is released. The higher the pressure, the higher the release of carbon dioxide, the higher the reaction between the acid and the eggshells. We can conclude here that eggshells that were exposed to fluoride are more protected from acid than those who weren't exposed.